Hello guys, welcome to my channel NEVE, and I'm your host Simba, and today I'm going to show you how to create a free hosted WordPress website. So this platform is called TestWP, in shortcut for testwordpress.com. It's free. You can create your website. It will be live. You can send it to your friends or me. I can check on it and give you feedback and guidelines on how to improve. So I really want to thank the guys from testwp.com for creating such a beautiful platform. Because as for me guys, a little backstory of myself. When I started creating websites, guys, I couldn't afford internet on a daily basis. So I had to find a way to create all my websites on my laptop locally, offline. Then I would create the entire client project online. Then after I'm done, I would pick up and then host a website, install WordPress, install all in one migrator, and then restore the full version of the website after I've created everything. So it took a lot of time to complete projects. Why? Because I had to go to clients' offices, so it was back and forth traveling, then very little much time to work on the site, and especially when that time to make changes where you're sitting down with the client, he's telling you to change this message. It just creates a lot of time. It's time wasted that could have been saved with a platform like this, where I can just sit at home, create the website, and the client can just take it from his place. Then if he likes it, he can just say, okay, I want this one, and then all you can do is full backup on this platform and then migrate it to a new host after the client is happy. So let's get into the video, guys. As I mentioned, this site is called testwp.com, and I will leave the link to this site in the description. So that's just use the link in the description. Then you have two choices. If you don't want to sign up, you can just click setup and agree, and just click setup and then wait for a couple of seconds. Let's wait. As you can see, this is my free link to my free WordPress website. So you can click this copy button. It will copy everything: the site name, URL, username, and password. You might want to keep this on your notes or a notepad file. So if we go to this address, as you can see, the website is up and running and everything is working. As you can see, plugins. As you can see, this one is free, so you didn't have to sign up. You just click I agree, and boom, you have your own live WordPress website. So this one will give you 2 days, so you have 48 hours to use this website. So you can create your website or your design, and then you can send it to your friends, and they can have a day or a day plus checking it up, doing some modifications. Especially if you are learning, this is a nice learning playground that gives you that ability without the hassle of setting up everything offline and then download plugins to install offline, download themes to install offline. This way is much easier because everything is online, guys. Everything is online. Everything. As you can see, users. Let's go. So if, however, you want a week of, like, if you want a website to last a week for free, you have to register. So before you click agree and set up, you can click this register, and it will take you to this or a pop-up card will pop up. You can put your username, your email address, and then your password, and confirm and agree. After you've registered, you can confirm your account in your email. After that, after you confirm your account, you can then log in using login here. Then you can put username and password and log in. Then after you've logged in, if you create the same account but from inside the account that you've created logged in, it will give you 6 days. So that's the difference, guys. The link will be in the description, so you can click it, you can create your account, and you can have 6 days. I think 6 days are better than 2, But if you just want to take a quick look at how WordPress is set up and to just maneuver over the framework, 2 days is too plenty. Okay, so this is the dashboard. You can click OK and do some cleanup. Let me just minimize this. I think we are pretty much clear. So just for a quick test to show you that everything is working, let me go to design and themes. Let me open it in a new tab because I would like to open a themes in one tab, and then I also like to go to plugins with another tab. So let's see how good is this platform, guys. Let me install. So as you can see, everything is online. You can just click the popular tab for the popular plugins, pop up. All the plugins are available. You are not limited to anything. Even Elementor, WooCommerce, everything. If you want to create a WooCommerce website, you can just use this platform to test a certain WooCommerce theme. So let me just test this contact form setting and Elementor as well. So back to themes. Let's add a new theme. Let's visit the website in a new tab. I mostly like to work with many tabs open so that I can quickly jump from the front end, what the customer will see, to the back end, to the plugins tab, and then to the themes tab. So you can quickly switch between themes, and you can also turn on and off plugins with many tabs open. This one is beautiful. Let's install Astra, guys. I just want to test this thing and to show you that this platform offers you 100% access to these WordPress services. Let's activate. So after activation, now the Astra theme is now my main theme. Let's click at theme details. Let's go to options. The theme options will show you kind of similar plugins that goes well with the theme, as well as if you want to import demo layouts, you can do it all from this. Yeah, as you can see, I extend Astra with free plugins, so I can install this import export in activity. Here, as you can see, the contact form saving worked, as well as Elementor also worked. So you can install each and every plugin that you want. And let me install one more plugin. This is my main plugin that I use to back up my WordPress websites for safekeeping. Just in case anything goes wrong, I can restore from that backup. I used a plugin called O. Let me use this keyboard. All in one. I use this one, guys. It's called all-in-one WP migration. This is the plugin that I use. It's very easy. You can just install this one and back up your entire site. As you can see here, so you can click export. Okay, since we've installed Elementor, so let's just install a template from Elementor page builder. This one is the Gutenberg, is the default page builder that comes with WordPress installed. So this one is the default, and especially with the latest version of WordPress, this page builder is improved so much. You can create any type of beautiful websites with this one. But if you want more freedom or more advanced, you know, you can install Elementor. I think a friend of mine used this one. They are all page builders, and each and every one of them, they have their advantages and disadvantages. Especially for most people, beginners, you wouldn't be paying the pro version of this page builder. So we want the one with the best free advantages. So let's go with Elementor. And back to all-in-one migration. This plugin you can export to your Dropbox, your Google Drive, your Mega Drive, Amazon. But I always want to pick up file, so I can pick up everything and store it locally on my hard drive or in my external. I just use it for backups for client websites. This plugin helps a lot, guys. These are the free templates. Let's just pick. Some of them are premium. I think I will pick this one. This one is beautiful. Let me pick this one. Let's import complete site. This will take a little bit depending on your network. Let me just skip. Next. Yeah, I'm a beginner looking for myself. I'm just playing. No, skip. So WooCommerce is being installed. I'm assuming this theme is a shop related theme or this template. So it will install all the plugins you need in order for this template to work. That is also another advantage of WordPress. WooCommerce cart abandoned recovery. So okay, I think there's been an error. Cancel. Let me pick a different. Let me just let's start again. Yes, this time we were successful, guys. You look at that. This is the beautiful thing about WordPress, guys. You don't need to have any coding experience or knowledge. Although knowing the basics from this channel, I'll drop videos soon. So if you know the basics, it will be better. Sometimes it can be a bit of a hassle to edit WordPress themes, especially templates, because most templates might not be according to your liking 100%. Yes, they might work 80%, but to change that extra 20% you like, you're going to have to use a bit of manual knowledge on how things are built when it comes to web development. So subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment for more videos of that sort. I'll be dropping you tutorial videos on how to get started with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So basic knowledge of that will also help you to make changes to WordPress themes. But as you can see, guys, this platform is really beautiful, guys. Yes, of course, it's a short template, but you can see it's really beautiful, guys. It's a really beautiful. I just imported the home page only, so I don't think it's important these other pages. Let's see. This one was imported as well. Let's check the shop. Yes, there's nothing in the shop because I just imported the home page only. But I think now you know how this platform works. So if you like the video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. And after you are done creating your website or your first website using this platform, come back to this video and then I want you to leave your address in the comment section. I'll get notified and then I'll quickly check your website and I'll give you feedback on what I think you can make improvements on. So please do that. If you're new, if you just want to get to know WordPress, the link will be in the description. Go to testwp.com, create an account so that you can have 6 days instead of 2. Play with it, and if you feel like just your home page is done, guys, you can come back with the link like this one, then post this link in the comment section. I'll get notified and I'll check on it and then I'll reply you. So this is what you get, the default 2020 theme that comes after I just installed WordPress. We don't care about this one. That's why we replaced it with this one. So thank you for watching this video, guys. And if you feel like you've created such a beautiful template to use in the future, you can then come to this and download our backup. We've created the all-in-one plugin. I'll leave the link. You can search and install it, or you can download it and keep it locally. Then you can upload and install. Any method can work. I will just leave the link to the plugin page in the description. I want you guys to have all the assets you need. So if you click this, it will download a zip file. So if you install a new WordPress, a clean, then just install this plugin again. Instead of exporting, now you can click import. And just like the option you choose when you're exporting, you can just import the file. After you're done importing the file, you can just leave it for a couple of minutes for it to restore the backup version of WordPress to your newly installed version of WordPress. So thank you for watching the video, guys. I think by now we've come to a conclusion that this is a beautiful platform, especially for beginners, and I want to help you beginners to WordPress is a beautiful system. If you are a photographer, you can use this platform to try and create a website for your pictures yourself, you know. So I think a lot of people benefit. It's a really good idea what the guys at testwp.com have done. And again, thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. I have more videos for you guys. This will be a great journey, I can feel it. Until next time, guys, I'm your host Simba. Thank you for watching the video.